Okay, so we're back for the install, and this is going to be simple and easy. All right, now light lace and a light wig can be terrifying to a brown skin, dark skin girl because it's going to be hard to blend in. All right, but I'm just going to show you guys what you've already seen before, how I install my wigs. Okay, so when it comes to light lace, you want to be a little more careful. In a light wig, especially a white wig, girl, you don't want to get your white wig dirty, so you want to be careful. Okay. Oh, and this wig is from WorldNewHair. If you haven't seen me make this color, my watercolor method, how you get perfect color lavender hair, I will link that video down below and at the end of this video for you guys. Okay, so what I do is I make slits into my wig, and that's just easier to like apply. Okay, and so for adhesive, or it's not really adhesive, it's a serum to secure my wig down, the glueless method, because this is not glue, I am going to use boho liquid gold. All right, so you want to work in sections, and so I'm going to work with the middle. I'm gonna pull my wig down and I'm gonna blow dry it in place. You could use cool, you could use warm, you could use hot. It does not matter. It's going to dry down in place. All right, and you're gonna go from section to section to section until your wig is fully secured. Alright, so now that your wig is down, you want to go take your eyebrow razors or your picketing shears or your regular scissors and cut the lace off. Now you guys see me use this product before. This is my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I like using makeup that's the color of my natural skin tone without me having makeup. So I take a small, not too fluffy, but kind of firmish, fluffy brush, dip it in the makeup, and I neatly go over the hairline and the places where my part will naturally be, like where you will naturally see my scalp or my skin. I will go over that with the makeup. So as you can see, I'm going around my sideburns, around my baby hair, just to make it mimics to look like it's my skin and that thing is grown from my scalp. So I do that, and I take my spritz and I'm gonna lay my baby hair down, and I do that for the entire hairline, best friend. So again, I cut off the extra lace, and once the extra lace is cut off, I'm gonna go take my brush and my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm gonna carefully, because this is a light color hair, you want to use a small brush. You want to carefully go around the hairline and around your baby hairs to blend in that lace into your skin. Now I did forget a step on here. I forgot it altogether. It's the melting situation. So after you lay your baby hairs down, you want to go and you want to grab your Got To Be spray, and you want to spray your hairline down and wrap it down, and that's going to give you the greatest melting effect ever. All right, I did not do that. It was late at night when I was filming this, so I didn't get a chance to do this because I was so tired. But yeah, so you want to do that, you guys. If you have not seen me do that, just watch another wig video of me installing my wig. You will definitely see that. All right, and I take a little bit of Got To Be free spray. I spray it in my hand, and then after I brush my hair out to make sure I cut off brush out all the excessive loose hair from when I cut off the lace. I take a little bit of Got to Be Free spray, spray it on my hand, and rub it at the top of my head so it could be super sleek and neat, and all the flyaways are down, and sis is looking fine. And yes, that's what I typically do. Oh, do not forget to do your part, because your part needs a little bit of makeup too. If you get some makeup on your hair, you want to take a little bit of alcohol with a rag, and you want to just clean up the area. Be neat when you do that, because you will smudge your hair color, and you don't want to do that. All right, so like, this is a step that I would spray my hairline and wrap it down so it could be really melty. But that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this wig. Well, doing the color, not making a wig, because this is a pre-made wig, and doing the install. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the description box, in the comment section. Oh my goodness, I haven't recorded a video in so long. In the comment section, and I will be down there to answer any questions that you guys have. And until next time, bye, best friends.